In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance photos with Canva's AI sky replacement and color enhancement features. Whether you're looking to elevate your travel photos or add a dramatic flair to your portfolio, these tools can make a significant difference, and the process is surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a versatile web-based design platform that offers a variety of tools for all your graphic design needs. Once you've got Canva open, the next step is either to create a new design or open an existing project where you'd like to enhance a photo. This will be your canvas where all the magic happens. Now, we need to upload the image you'd like to work on. Simply find the image file on your computer and upload it into Canva. You can do this by clicking the Upload button on the left sidebar. Once uploaded, go ahead and drag your image onto your canvas. Align it as needed so it fits perfectly in your design space. Once your image is on the canvas and in the desired position, click on it to select it. By selecting the image, we can access the tools we need to make our enhancements. You'll notice that upon selecting your image, a new toolbar appears at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the Edit Photo option. Go ahead and click on that. Next, scroll to Magic Studio in the Edit panel and select Magic Edit. This is where the real fun begins. Choose the sky or any specific area of your image that you want to change. Canva's AI tools make it incredibly easy. You just have to draw over the area directly on the image that you wish to replace or enhance. Don't worry if you're not precise. The software is designed to intelligently understand the area you want to modify. After you've selected the area, it's time to get creative. You'll see a prompt to describe what you'd like to add or change in that selected area. For instance, you could replace a dull sky with a vibrant sunset or adjust colors to match the mood you're going for. Be as detailed as you can in your description to get the best results. Once you're happy with your description, move on to the next step, which is clicking on the Generate button. And there you have it. Canva's AI will process your requests and in moments show you a transformed image reflecting the enhancements you described. It's a simple yet powerful way to take your photos to the next level without needing advanced photo editing skills. Once you're satisfied with the changes, make sure to save your work and you'll have a stunning enhanced photo ready to share or print. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Happy designing!